Liam, thanks for coming down. I wanted to discuss Mr. Jenkins, 78, post-hip replacement, day 2. His pain management is satisfactory, and the surgical site looks good. He's cooperative, but there's significant apprehension about weight-bearing. He keeps saying he feels unstable, despite us reassuring him about the implant.
Right, post-op hip, pain controlled, but apprehension about weight-bearing. Dr. Mihira, is he reporting any specific discomfort with movement, or just general fear?
It's more a general fear of falling, a psychological barrier. He's very risk-averse. His muscle strength is adequate for his age, and his range of motion is progressing as expected. However, his reluctance to fully engage in mobilization is significantly impacting his discharge planning. We can't safely send him home until he demonstrates independent transfers and a stable gait, and his current hesitation is delaying that critical step. We've managed to get him to stand for short periods, but sustained effort is proving difficult.
So Dr. Mihira, the psychological aspect is paramount. What about his home environment? Is it suitable for his recovery, or are there obstacles?
His daughter assures us the home is well adapted, grab bars, no stairs. But the immediate hurdle is overcoming this confidence deficit. We need your expertise in progressive weight-bearing exercises, but more importantly, in building his self-efficacy regarding movement. Mihira, I completely understand why you might think an immediate X-ray or MRI is the essential next step to uncover exactly what is causing this intense discomfort. It is a very natural request when dealing with nerve pain. However, routine diagnostic imaging is not clinically required during the initial stages of acute sciatica. Scans are generally reserved for complex situations where there are clear warning signs of progressive nerve damage, such as severe lower limb weakness or sensory loss, or other serious underlying medical conditions. Fortunately, your clinical assessment reveals absolutely none of these red flags at this time. I want to genuinely reassure you that acute sciatica is an incredibly common presentation. While it is undoubtedly distressing, it is rarely a dangerous condition. The vast majority of episodes resolve beautifully within a few short weeks using conservative management alone, including the specific pain relief strategies and mobility modifications we have just outlined. Your body is highly capable of healing naturally with the right supportive framework. Our absolute priority right now is to keep you moving comfortably and safely. Mihira, do you have any concerns and questions?